Hey, y'all. Welcome to D.I.Y Designs. Today I'm going to teach you photo transfer to glass using the Mod Podge method. Before we get started, if you can please like, share, subscribe. If you want to drop a comment down, let me know that you're here. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask them. I am here to answer. All right, so we're going to get started with step one, which is going to be the materials. Now, you want to make sure you get all of these materials before you start. You need your Mod Podge photo transfer medium, not image transfer medium, your Mod Podge gloss, a pair of scissors, your printed photo using inkjet printer only, and regular printing paper, a sponge brush, parchment paper, a bowl of warm water, and of course your glass surface for you to work on. Now that you have your materials, let's go ahead and prep. So with prepping, you want to just make sure that you cut your image, leave about an inch to a half an inch of white space. That's just in case you make any mistakes as far as layering. It's not required. You want to cover your work area with some parchment paper because it will get messy, very messy. Get your printed photo, get your sponge brush and your photo transfer medium, and let's get ready to do step three, which is my favorite part, and that is paint the picture. So when you paint the picture, if you're going to use the decal method, which is peelable, you're going to make sure that you put that photo face up on your parchment paper and get to layering it very thickly, okay? For the direct method, you basically do the same thing except for you place the photo, the back of the photo onto the glass. The photo should be looking right at you, and you're just gonna paint that Mod Podge on to the picture while it's on the glass surface. Step four is gonna be our peel to reveal. This is a fun part, but also the most delicate part of the entire process because you have to be very gentle. I consider myself to be like intermediate expert, so I often use my fingers, but you can use your sponge brush, you can use a paintbrush, whatever you feel. You're gonna have to print maybe 3 to 4 photos out, so just in case you make any mistakes. Now you have your finished product. When you are done with your candle, it should look just like these candles on display. Your photos should pop out in color. It should be very clear. You should make sure that you put, when after you are done, the most important part is to gloss it. You want that photo to shine just like it did digitally before you printed it out, okay? I want to thank everybody for tuning in. And remember, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. I love y'all. Peace out.